welcome back to the channel. Still out here in Norton, Kansas for a 2-day event with Colorado Kayak Bassmasters. I'm sitting in 6th place after day 1, but the top like 8 are all separated by only a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch, so it's super tight. I'm only 2 1/4 inches out of the lead, so I got a shot, but it is going to be tough today because we hammered on them yesterday. The lake is fishing small because of the wind. Everybody's sort of tucked in the same pockets, so it might be tough to get a limit today. We'll see. This place does have a lot of fish though, so that's the good thing. So anyway, yeah, no more talking. I'm tired. I don't do a lot of 2-day events, so it's tough, but I'm ready to get out there and get after them. Let's go see what we can do. Oh, good. Line's in. So I'm starting on the same spot I did yesterday. Even though I didn't really catch a lot here, but that's why I'm starting here, because they maybe didn't get wore out in this particular corner. Just fishing the opposite bank, but I'm in the same general area. How is there not a fish in there? How freaking perfect does that look? I know there's one in there. Probably got beat up yesterday. I don't think I mentioned in my intro, but this is a 2-day event, but we only fish until 12 today. So it's a shortened day. Usually we would fish 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., but since it's a Sunday and we're 4 or 5 hours from home, we figured we'd end it at 12, give people a chance to get home at a decent hour, you know. None of us do this professionally. We all gotta go to work tomorrow. So, been a fun week though. Got to do a lot of pre-fishing with my boys MC Hammer, Matt Collins, and Josh Gardner. That was fun. You know, those guys are both hammers, so learned a lot doing that. It was cool. But yeah, it's been a good week. Caught a lot of fish. Just need to catch 5 more. GoPro turn on. GoPro start recording. Oh, stay on. Oh my god. What is going on? Okay. Alright, that's one. Not a big one. All right. Numero uno. GoPro turn on. GoPro Oh no! Oh yes! Holy crap. Unbelievable. He got off, but I netted him. Wow. That's a good one too. Holy crap, that was crazy. He came unhooked, but he wasn't in the net, and I had to scoop and actually got him. That might be a good sign for the day. Alright, you chill out. Oh, watch, I'm gonna lose him. Death gripping you. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Heck yeah. You gonna give me 18 and a half? I don't think so. All right. That's what we need. Let's freaking go. Man, you can tell it's been a good trip because I got some serious bass thumb going on. Things just tore up. Wow, that was awesome. Boys better get to work. Somebody got an 1825.
Really? Already?
You on the board yet, Matt?
Yeah, I got, no, I'm talking about myself. I got an 1825.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Hit before?
Turn on. GoPro start recording. Oh, come on. Oh. GoPro turn on. Oh, Jesus Christ. GoPro turn on. I don't think he's gonna score. Nope. Dang it. Mind if I head to the back while you're out here, Karen?
I was gonna hit this real quick and then spin back on this. So, it's okay.
I'll go around the corner. You got your limit yet?
No.
Yeah, me either. Yeah, I lost a good one too.
Damn it.
Yep. Yep. I did get a really good one though. I got an 1825. I'll just make one pass through. I won't beat it up.
Still a fish. 1825?
Yep.
Oh, I should have followed you.
Yeah, right. I almost asked you if you wanted to trade starting spots.
I probably would have left it.
Number 3. Not a big one, but it's number 3. So we are getting there. No, I don't think he's 12. Nope.
GoPro turn on. GoPro turn on.
Okay. That should be number 4. That one's halfway decent. Used to 14 or 15. Finally got one hooked good. Okay. Number 4. Alright. I think we can get our limit back here. Shout out to my boy Matt Kern for letting me come back here. I mean, not letting me, but you know, he didn't have to. He's been working this spot pretty much the whole tournament. But we've been good about sharing water, so I do appreciate him letting me take a pass back here.
GoPro turn on. GoPro start recording.
Okay, that one feels... Oh! My God, what is going on? That felt like a good one.
Oh, there's one. Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, he's tiny. Dang it. Yeah. GoPro turn on. GoPro start recording. Damn it. What is going on? GoPro turn on. GoPro turn on.
Oh, frickin' finally. God. Not that it took long. It actually was pretty quick for getting a limit, but man, just losing, what'd I lose, 3 at least? Okay, well now we can relax somewhat. Try to get rid of that 12.75. Okay, number 5. Let's frickin' go.
GoPro turn on. GoPro start recording.
Okay, that gets rid of the 12.75. That's a pretty mix.
There it is. Yeah, man, I'm not trying to put you out of your spot, so.
Not at all, dude. I'm actually working my way up towards the front, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
In fact, I'll skip up.
Trying to escape that wing for a little bit.
Yeah. GoPro turn on. GoPro turn on. Oh, yet another hop off. I am just not fishing clean today. Very lucky to get away with a limit. Not sure I deserve one. Not even sure what I'm doing wrong, honestly. I wonder if it's, or my hook is not grazed. Maybe I'm not getting penetration, or, well, that one I guess, or two of them at least have jumped, so maybe I just gotta try to be better about keeping them down. I don't know. GoPro turn on. GoPro start recording. Oh my God, got him, hooked him in that, Jesus. That's a first, hooked him outside the net. I don't think this is gonna help, but I'll get a picture anyway. So I'm not even sure what my smallest is. I think it's 15. Yeah, he's on 14. All right. All right, 1 hour left. I'm not feeling too bad about my limit. I would still like to upgrade a little bit more, but you know, like I said, feeling okay about my limit. Anyway, I'm just gonna work my way back towards the van with a buzzbait, see if I can pick up a bonus fish, then we'll head to awards, see how we ended up. Stay on, yes. Okay, so I had a feeling the buzzbait wasn't going to be the deal, so I went back to the jackhammer because it just looked too good in this spot, and what do you know, first cast with the jackhammer. Yeah, half inch. I'll take it. As close as the scores are, I'm going to need it. Okay, you get out of here.
right, guys, let's start singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blair. Happy birthday to you. We're going to come to
Let's hope Chen didn't ruin your birthday.
Chen did ruin my birthday.
Did Chen ruin your
Chen
birthday?
ruined it.
Oh no.